Hi everybody, it's Danielle from Haverford Township Free Library, back with another origami animal video for you. This week we are making an elephant. An elephant. An elephant. I'll show you how. So start out with your origami paper in a triangle shape and fold it down. So, I'm sorry, that was a diamond shape. Fold it down to make a triangle. Then fold that triangle in half to make a smaller triangle. Now open it up. Fold your one side in right up to the seam that you made in the center. And then do the same thing with the other side. Fold that up. Try to get it lined up. It's not always going to be perfect, and that's okay. All right, so now you have kind of a kite-looking shape here. Fold your one side down. Make a triangle. Fold your other point down. Make another triangle. Then fold those ends of the triangle in, so there's no more points. Okay, flip those in there. You got some sort of like strange flower looking, but fold it over there. You see where the elephant's starting? Fold your trunk up. And now we're going to do kind of an accordion thing. Fold it part way down. Halfway up and halfway down again. Make sure those creases are nice and sharp. Pull your trunk out, and now make a cute little face on it, however you want to. The first one I made had kind of scary looking orange eyes, so this one I'm just gonna do just little sleepy eyes like that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll do a little eyelashes there. There we go. And there is your elephant. I can't make an elephant noise, but there's your elephant. Have fun.